In a medium bowl, add 2 cups flour, 1½ tablespoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then add 2 eggs slightly beaten, 1¼ cups milk, and 2 tablespoons Grand Marnier. Next comes 1½ teaspoons of sweet Arwe Farm honey. Over a center burner or 2 side burners, place a flat griddle. Add tablespoons of butter for frying. Place the pancake molds flat side down and fill with the batter. Sprinkle each pancake with 1 tablespoon of white chocolate chips. Flip when the tops of the pancakes are bubbling. For a brunch time treat, enjoy with a deliciously pink Hampton sprinkle. Visit In Pam's Kitchen on social media.